I can't wait to share this with you guys today. It is so juicy. I am going to be sharing with you today in this video how I actually started my government contracting business and the foundation that I set to take my business from 23,000 to over 7 million in 18 months. It's all about the foundation, and I'm going to be sharing it with you guys here today on how you can learn all about it as well and how you can do it too. So stick around. Hey, welcome back to the channel, everyone. I am so excited about what I have to share with you guys today. It is off the chain. I even have notes because I want to make sure I cover everything that you need to know because we're getting ready to make it happen right here. Hey, I'm Felicia Streeter over at FeliciaStreeter.com, and I work with six-figure contractors and service-based business owners who are overwhelmed within their current projects and who instead want to become government contractors and scale and grow their businesses with the support and systems as they take their business to 7 figures. All right, so welcome and let's dive in. One of my favorite things to do this time of the year is plan for the new year. I so enjoy taking the time to sit down, set goals, and plan out the year ahead. And I know, remember I have notes here, so I know that most people around this time of the year is thinking all about buying gifts and Christmas shopping. But not you, because you're here, and so you're probably like me, and for you, this is a great time to plan for your new year. So I'm just assuming that you're like me and December is your time to plan for the new year, set your foundation on what you're going to be doing so that you can go into 2020 or whatever that new year is, you know, when you're watching this right now, it's 2020, that you can go into the new year, boots to the ground, and just take off in action and make some things happen versus having to sit there and plan out and set a foundation, right? So this is a great time to be doing that. Here's what I realized. One of the things as I just been glancing back this year, looking at the data, the statistics of what I've been tracking and realizing I crushed it this year. You heard me? Your girl crushed it. And so I'm really excited. I can't even explain to you guys the feeling of what that means to me, the impact it has on me personally, on my family, and just being able to change the game for myself, my family, and my generations to come. And I know you guys want the same thing, but here's the thing. I can't really explain the feeling to you. I believe you have to experience it for yourself. And I want to help you set the foundation and the framework so that you can, in this coming year, experience it for yourself. Whatever that looks like for you, whatever your goals are, whatever crushing it feels like or mean to you. But I do want you to experience it in this coming year, 2020. And so that's why I've created a guide for you guys. And I want to invite you. This is your personal invite to come join me. I'm doing a live workshop training series starting this coming Monday, December 9th at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. So noontime Central Standard Time. I'm going to be right back here on the channel live. Okay, we're going to be doing training all about getting government contracts. Okay, so how cool. I know what's required, what you need to have in place to start winning contracts with the government. And I want to help you over the next 5 days, starting next week, set the framework, okay, and get your business ready going into 2020 to be able to start bidding and winning contracts, okay? Now, here's the thing. Okay, so I'm going to share with you what's required. And really what it is 5 steps to getting started. is what we're going to cover over the 5 days. Okay. And this is just not a come and listen and learn type of workshop. You guys know me. You're going to have action items that you're going to implement on each and every day. One will build on the others. You know how I teach, step by step. And at the end, you'll be there with your foundation set if you do the work. And it won't take a lot of time. Okay, so don't think it's going to take hours and hours. It is not. But we're just focusing in on the exact key things in the 5 areas I'm going to share with you need to do and have in place. And here's the beauty. I'm also going to open it up for Q&A. So that's to help you as you're implementing from day to day. If you get stuck, you're going to want to make sure you're there live so that you can ask your questions and get them answered by moi. Okay? Cool, right? Okay, so what are we going to do? We're going to go into 2020 hitting the ground running, because you're going to come join me. And this is a free workshop. You know, this is my way of giving back. This is my birthday month. If you don't know that, next week, actually, Tuesday is my birthday. So, but I'm still going to be there live with you guys, sharing content, making it happen, because I want to really just show some gratitude and pour into you guys over the next 5 days. Okay. And this is my formula to help you get started with government contracting and really to avoid the overwhelm of it all, because I hear so many times people are so overwhelmed with the process, or there's a couple of questions you have that's preventing you from going to the next step. Because if you know anything about government contracting, one thing builds on the other. So we know that, right? So I'm giving it to you step by step, and I want you to come join me live. It's all about setting a solid foundation that you can build on. That's what we're going to focus on next week, building that solid foundation that you can build your government contracting business on. So I'm going to put the link down below for you to go register. It's over at FeliciaStreeter.com/contracts. Again, I'll put the link down below in the description. And here's why you want to sign up. Yes, you can come watch the videos live on YouTube. Because I'm going to be live. Anybody can watch. But here's the beauty. When you sign up, you'll get access to the replays. So if you happen to miss a day, or maybe I'm answering your question and you want to go back and listen again so that you can pause, jot it down, pause. That's how I do. And get the information that I'm sharing with you about your business. That's one reason you want to sign up. And the other is I'm going to provide you with a workbook. All right, so that I make sure you're capturing the key information and you're getting the assignments or the actions that you need to execute on. Okay, so those are a couple of reasons why you're going to want to sign up. And here's one thing I'd like to ask you. Share this with someone. Okay, share this with some other business person you may know, or maybe someone that's wanting to start a business. This is a great place for them to be. Or they may already have a business and they just want to get into government contracting. And this is a great workshop to come and learn and join me. And here's the other thing. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. I'm also going to be sharing a special announcement next week, later in the week. I believe it's going to be on Thursday during the live, that is all about, well, I'm not going to tell you everything because it's a secret, but it's going to be the perfect opportunity for you if you're looking to make big things happen in 2020 for your business. So you're going to want to hear that as well. And you'll get reminders and things like that when you sign up. Okay. So I'm looking forward to having you join me. We can host a bunch of people. And here's what I know. We have almost 100 people signed up already. So you're going to want to make sure you come join early. I don't know how many live spots we're going to have where you can actually engage and ask questions. But I know we can have as many people as want to come watch. So make sure you share it with a couple of your friends or people, colleagues that would benefit from this training next week. All right. So until next week during the training, I can't wait to see you guys there. All right. Bye for now.